Good morning, friends. Welcome to the preview of the Odisha Violet Women's vs Odisha Green Women's. Before knowing the preview of this video, please go to the Telegram channel and type target for Grand League so that you will get my channel. Please subscribe my Telegram channel so that if there is any update in the lineups, also I will give you in the my Telegram channel, and I will give you the teams in my Telegram channel before 5 minutes also. So let's start the preview of this match. So listen carefully, I will not waste your time, and it will be very briefly also this video. And the date will be 27 January 2021, and match will be start at 1 p.m. and stadium will be KIT Stadium. And Odisha Violet team news, there are some very capable players here who are going to look at this game as an opportunity to prove their Anjali Singh and Divya Darshini are all important for them, and expected them to perform in this game. And coming to the ODG women's, there are some really good players in this team as well who are going to playing an important role in this game, where they would be coming up against a very good opponent and trying to gain momentum early in the crucial tournament. ODB playing 11 will be R. Chinari, A. Singh, S. Bura, Divya Darshini, Nayak, T. Pradhan, A. Gir, S. Danwar, S. Swain, S. Mohanad. And these are the expected playing 11 of the ODB. And let's see expected playing 11 of the ODG also. P. Monty, B. A. Biswal, Baisnav, Parvan, Dada, Naik, R. Kumar Prasad, S. Gir, and S. Anita Singh, N. Singh, S. Saho. These are the expected playing 11 of the ODG. And let's coming to the ODB playing 11. There are two all-rounders, A. Singh and Divya Darshini. These are the two important players from this team who can score with bat and with ball. So these are the crucial players. So don't miss them in any teams also. And coming to the ODG all-rounders also, R. Parveen and B. Dada also a good all-rounders, but B. Dada is not in good form, but is bowling with good economic also. R. Parveen is expected to give points with bat and ball also. So you can go. Let's see the stats of the ODB women's. R. Chinari is the opener and he is a very excellent player. 3 matches 3 matches 96 runs, and Anjali Singh is also opener batsman. 3 matches 89 runs and 5 wickets, and he will bowl 4 overs also. The star mark will explain you that these are important players. And A. Singdo is the one down batsman. 3 matches 32 runs, and S. Bureau is the 2 down or 1 down batsman. 3 matches 49 runs, and S. Divya Darshini 3 down or 1 down batsman, and a very important player, 2 matches 61 runs and 1 wicket, and she will bowl 4 overs. K. Bandra is also a 4 down batsman, 3 matches 22 runs, and she will also bowl 4 overs. T. Pradhan is the 5 down player, 3 matches 0 wickets, and she will also bowl 4 overs. And Kidgi didn't play any matches in any score also, as Monte is a players 3 matches 1 wicket 2 or 4 overs. K. Naik 3 matches 8 wickets 4 overs. She is bowling very excellent. So the star mark players are R. Chinari, A. Singh, S. Divya Darshini, K. Naik. And coming to the stats of the ODG women's, K. Monty is the opener player and she is the captain of this team. 3 matches 57 runs. She is considering 15 plus runs also, so you can go with her. And A. Biswal is another very good attacking player, but she is not playing very well, so you can try her in this match because she is a very excellent player. 3 matches 18 runs. And S. Gir is the 2 down player, 2 matches 28 runs. R. Parveen is the 2 down or 3 down player, 3 matches 95 runs 2 wickets. She will bowl 4 overs, very important player. And S. Saho is the 3 down or 2 down, 3 matches 21 runs. And B. Basnev is the 4 down, 3 matches 15 runs. P. Dada is the 3 matches 2 wickets. She will also bowl 4 overs, but she has a very excellent economic spell also, so you can go with her. R. Naik is 3 matches 2 wickets 4 overs. S. Anita Singh 7 down players, 3 matches 1 wicket. She will also bowl 4 overs. N. Singh is then 3 matches 10 runs. R. Prasad 3 matches 2 wickets. She will also bowl 4 overs. Players you can totally avoid is from ODV is S. Swain, because she will bowl 1 over or she will not bowl also. Agir and S Danwar. These two players didn't perform anything in this tournament, so you can, in playing 11 there will be 11 players, so that you can avoid 3 players, and so that you can go with 8 players. So it will be very easy to play with the remaining 8 players with different combinations. Players you can avoid totally is from ODG is Ansing, as she is not considering with bat also. B Vaishnav is also not she is also not considering, as Sanita Singh, she is bowling 4 overs but she is not getting wickets, so you can try her if you want also. So players you have to try who are in not good form is A Biswal, as I said she is a very attacking player. B Dada, as I said she has a very good economic smell. T Pradhan is a good player. K Bandra is a very excellent all-rounder. So you can try these 4 members in Grand Leagues with different combinations also. Note points are, in this women's match the score will be low, as you know the players this women players are defending lot of balls, so that they are not getting almost very less score, so less score in this tournament only. So keep all rounders as captain, as I said, A Singh, as Divyadarshini, R Parivam. These are the 3 players, these are the universal captains for this match, because these are the 3 players who will consider with bat and ball, so that these 3 players are very important to with captain and vice captain. And go with different teams with different combinations of player according to the ODB. ODG is very weak team, so make team according to ODB. So you can go with 7:4 combination, so that you can go with different combinations, so that you can get some Grand Leagues as a good amount also. So captain and vice captain choices are A Singh, R Parveen, S Divyadarshini, K Nayak. Risky captain and vice captain are B Bandar and K Bandara. These are the risky captains, so that you can go with them. And I will show you the screenshots of this tournament which I get. These are the mini Grand Leagues which I get 7th rank, and my teams are my previous teams results are I am showing you, so that you can join my Telegram channel and you can trust my Telegram channel. And my Telegram channel name is Target for Grand League, and my Telegram channel link will be in my description. So please friends, share this video and like this video. Thank you friends.